Imagine this, you walk into a beautifully designed home at night and with just one switch click, the entire room comes alive with perfectly placed lighting. That's the power of a well-planned electrical drawing. And today, you and I are going to build one from scratch in AutoCAD. And by the end of this series, you won't just be drawing lines, you'll be creating the invisible nervous system of a building. Think of a building like a human body. The walls are the bones, the plumbing are the veins, and the electrical system, that's the nervous system. And if the nerves are displaced, the body can't function. And the same goes for a house. Put switches and lights on the wrong spot and the entire design suffers. Let's set our AutoCAD file so that we are not overwhelmed. Type units and press enter. On the unit type, select decimals. And on the precision, 0.00. Choose your insertion skill in meters. All this is like a musical instrument before the performance. And if it's not true, the entire song will sound wrong. Step number 2, creating layers. Layers in AutoCAD are like departments in the hospital, with each having its own role. Be it wiring, lighting, or switches, each has their own layer, so they should not be confused later. Open layer properties in the manager and click new layer. The first layer I want to set is everything combined in the architectural plan, which we call the architectural layer. Second layer we will create is for lighting. The third layer is for switches. The fourth layer is for wiring. The fifth layer is for distribution boxes. The seventh layer is for text and annotations. The eighth layer is for sockets, and so on and so forth as the drawing progresses. Assign each layer in different color, and in this way, your drawing will become a city map. Every road, building, and landmark is instantly recognizable. Step number 3, importing the architectural floor plan. And I do love this. Tiny habit, easy wins. If you already have the file given to you by your architect, you can navigate to File, move down to Import, click on PDF, and then press enter. You're just going to select the file from where it is on your desktop and then press enter. Once done, press OK on your screen. But if you have the DWG file given to you by an architect, you can just double click on it and it moves directly into AutoCAD. Think of this like laying the foundation of a house. You don't decorate before you ever build the walls. So move to your layers and lock the architectural plan so nothing shifts the layers. So you can just head on to save your file. Click on File, navigate down to Save, then press enter. Type in the name Electrical Plan Template, which we'll be using for this project. Imagine being able to design any electrical plan confidently. Hit the subscribe button. Let's make it real together.